725 2020. I have the NASDAQ 100 weekly bull market. Hey, let it be known. On the NASDAQ 100, I called the top reversal. We hit 11,069 and we got as overbought as you were going to get. And the tech rally, we sold out all our tech stocks, every one of them. And, with all of our people that we have in our market maker network, we're a market making firm. We're here to happy to let you know that we have did that, and there is a big reason why. It was time to unload them, and we unloaded them, and we unloaded them. Some of our people and money managers that are underneath us, you've been holding them for, since the very bottom of March, but even longer than that, 2, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, or going even further back. But it was time to get rid of tech stocks, and they're gone. And there is another new time period. It starts July 2020 is going to be the next benchmark calendar month for the next 120 months looking forward. And we can downstream that mathematically into the here and now. And we can. And volatility is going to increase. We had bought a lot of put options when we had the reversal because the put to call ratio was out of whack. For a market maker, we know. Once again, the public had came in and bought into the highs as they have always done in the whole 35 years. And at various market tops, it's always going to be the same behavior and whatnot. So we just want to let everybody know it's a safe place to be here. You know why? Because you can believe what you see in the live trading room. Yes, you can. And you should do that. You owe yourself that. In fact, you owe yourself to do it right now. Because the longer you wait, you're not going to go anywhere with that volatility when it increases. Oh, yeah. Volatility will hit the NASDAQ 100 next week in a really big way. And it already has. Amazon has sold down and hit 28.88 on Friday. I'll be doing that chart. We have big tech earnings coming out this week. Big ones. Microsoft got killed this last week. Chipotle Mexican Grill, we were short. All that great news was priced in. We made a big killing on it when it went down. And we did. So now what we're looking at is what we're going to do next. And we're going to tell you. One of the things that we want to talk about, because it's very important, the 4-month tech rally, because this is a monthly chart now. And what we're going to do, because I just want you to understand that the distribution channels already started in the sell side on the weekly in the NASDAQ 100. When we call the top, there's the follow weekly reversal. Now there will be support levels, and there is a major one. Oh yeah, and that's going to be slightly above 10,000, of course, and we're at 10,486, as you can see. So basically, we called the top reversal, got short, sold all the tech stocks that we had owned, got out of them, and they all tanked. But remember, if you're in that live trading room when those things were going down, you were making that money. Oh, yes, you were on that NASDAQ top. 11,069 weekly reversal. Let's take a look at what the daily. Why is the daily important for you on the short term? For a lot of reasons. You broke below the 20-day, the 10-day moving average, and you did. And you had the confirmation of a sell gap down here, another gap down on the open on Friday. They try to buy the bottom and come up. So you are in a daily sell signal on that NASDAQ 100. Yeah, you are. The tech trade was wonderful. And we sold out. all of it. And we did it. And we sold it, pal. And guess what? And then we got short. But we're market makers. We take them up 100 points, we take them down 100 points. They go up 30 and they lose 50 points. It doesn't matter what way. The way that you do it is what counts. And this is where you can see the tech rally on the monthly 4 months was great at the bottoms. And it was. So now be careful. I'm giving another warning for right now. July of 2020, uh, right now we have a weekly high reversal confirmation, and that is the reality. And we also have a declining weekly MACD. And the worst thing for it in the short term on the NASDAQ 100 is that it entered into a second daily sell signal in the short term and broke below daily moving averages. And we are short and we're short and we called the top. If you don't believe us, for you new people, if you're just watching the videos, it's okay. There's lots of them here. We talk about them and what they did and how they were going to do it and what is going on. And all of your proof is here. Let it be known. So, get in that live trading room. You can believe what you see. You got to pick it up. You got to do it now. You got to do it for yourself. You got to pick up that phone. 702-685-0772. Take the next right step for you. Let us power you live during the trading hours. You can believe what you see. Reversal. NASDAQ 100 tech stocks have been sold. The short side, the put side, once again at all-time highs. And we made the money. Now, next week, the volatility will really rock this index. And yeah, your volatility works to the upside and to the downside. So the upside volatility, we will be doing what? Getting net short. When those opportunities come, as they will, once they break down lower high reversals, a lot of things are factored in. What the earnings season in the NASDAQ 100 is going to peak this coming week. Put your seatbelt on. Let it be known. And for you new traders that don't know about volatility, and even you veterans who think you know, well, you know what I'm talking about, and you got another dose of that coming. And you know what? Stay tuned. NASDAQ 100 major update, major reversal top confirmation in play. We called that top reversal. It's live there on YouTube. Go watch it.